Jai Hind. Here is differentiation questions. Application of differentiation. Find the maximum or minimum value of function. Here is function given 3x power 4 minus 10x cube plus 6x square plus 5. So first we assume it equal to y. Y equal to 3x power 4 minus 10x cube plus 6x square plus 5. Now differentiate y with respect to x. So we differentiate y with respect to x. So we get left side dy by dx. On right side there is also we differentiate. So every term we differentiate separately because there are 4 terms. So every term differentiated individually. So first term differentiate according to distributive law. So x power 4 differentiate with it become 4x power 4 minus 1. So we write the law. Differentiation of x power n is n x power n minus 1. According to it we write here 4x power 4 minus 1. Similarly x power 3 minus 10x cube is there. So minus 10x cube differentiated. So x cube is 3x square plus 6x square. X square is written as 2 into x plus 5 differentiation is 0. Constants differentiation always 0. 3 4 is 12x cube plus 10 minus 10 3 is 30 x square plus 6 2 is 12x. So this is the differentiation we get. So when we put dy by dx equal to 0, we get the value of x. So we put first 0. So 12x cube minus 30x square plus 12x equal to 0. So x is taken common. X is taken common. So we get 12x square minus 30x plus 12 equal to 0. So it will give us either x equal to 0 or x is 12x square minus 30x plus 12 equal to 0. So this equation further we simplify, taking 2 again common. So 6x square minus 15x plus 6 equal to 0. So 2 goes into 0, denominator of 0, so it become vanished. Now taking 3 common, we get 2x square minus 5x plus 2 equal to 0. So here we find factorization. 2x square minus 5x plus 2 equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation. Here a is 2, first term x square coefficient is 2, b here is minus 5, c here is 2. So formula is opposite b plus minus b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. This is the formula for finding x factorization. So opposite b, so it become minus 5, so plus 5, minus 5 square is 25, minus 4 times a into c. So we get 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 25 minus 16, we get 25 minus 16, we get 9, square root 9 is 3. So 5 plus minus 3 over 4. So one time we take plus sign. So 5 plus 3 upon 4, 8 by 4, it means 2. And 5 minus 3 by 4, it gives us 2 by 4, it means 1 by 2. So here first we get x equal to 0. Now we get x equal to 2. Now we get x equal to 0.5 or 1 upon 2. These three values have we obtained. Now after differentiating first time, again we differentiate this equation. Again differentiate equation 1. So differentiate again with respect to x. Equation 1. Now d square y, we get d square y by dx square equal to, so 12x cube differentiation, we get 12 into 3 x square. Next is minus 30x square differentiate, So it gives us minus 30 into 2x plus 12x, differentiate, so we get 12. Now 12 3 is 36x square minus 30 2 is 60x plus 12. Now after getting d square y by dx square, 36x square minus 60x plus 12, we check it at x equal to 0 by plugging. So we get 36 into 0, it becomes 0, minus 60 into 0, it becomes 0, plus 12. So it is positive. If we get positive, it means minima. At x equal to 0, we get minima. At x equal to 0, we get minima value. Now next is x equal to 2. So we plug in x equal to 2 in this same equation. So we get 36 into 2 square, that means 4. 2 square is 4. So 36 4 ja 144 minus 60x. So x is 2. So 62 ja 120 plus 12. So 144 minus 120, we get 24. 24 plus 12, 36. Again we get minima at x equal to 2. Because positive terms we get, it means minima. If we get negative terms, then we get maxima. So maxima, minima. Now next point is x equal to 0.5 or 1 by 2. So x equal to 1 by 2. We again simplify this equation. 36 into 1 by 2 square. So 36 by 4, we get 9. Minus 60 into 1 by 2, we get 30. Plus 12. So positive terms is 9 and 12. So it becomes 21 minus 30. We get minus 9. So negative term we obtained. So here we get maxima. Maxima at x equal to 2. So there is, we get at x equal to 0 minima, x equal to 2 minima, x equal to 1 by 2 maxima. So three possible points we obtained. And in the main function, when we plug in the value of x equal to 0, we can find out minimum value. X equal to 2, we can also find out minimum value. And when we plug in x equal to 1 by 2, we get finally maximum value. So in this way we have solved this question. I hope you have understood. Okay.